Alright, what we're going to do here is we're going to play scientist, and we're going to make some colloidal silver. So what I got here is the things we're going to need. We're going to need some 9999 silver, which this 2 rods right here. We're going to need some alligator clips, some chopsticks maybe for support and stuff like that, and some hot glue, some 9-volt batteries, and a jar to put the stuff in, and some distilled water. So I'm going to start to put the contraption together and show you how we're going to get this done. This is very good to help detoxify the body and helps build your immune system, and keep it from if you have allergies, it'll really help eliminate some allergies to things. So I'm going to start to put this together, and then we'll start filming again. Alright, so here we are with the 3 9-volt batteries hooked up, and each lead of silver is in the water, and you got your positive, negative all running to the batteries. Now you're going to let this run for about 3 hours to get the silver to disperse into the water, and then you want to check it to see how many parts per million you have, to check the purity of it. So we're going to let it sit and see what happens in 3 hours. Alright, so I let this run for about 3 hours last night. You can see a slight yellow tint to it, and what it does is as the charge is running through the silver leads, it'll get bubbles on the negative lead, and that's how you know it's actually making the colloidal silver. So it's now ready, and I'm going to go ahead and can it and keep it in a place without light hitting it. So as soon as I get my meter here in a few days, I'll test it before I actually use it and see how many parts per million are in it. So thanks for watching. It's a really short video, but it's a very simple science experiment, and I'll let you know the parts per million as soon as the meter comes in. Y'all have a good day, and let's hope everybody has real good health, you know. Thanks for watching.